Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the in-channel low-profile vent visors from AVS on the Keys to Ride Ram 1500. These window reflectors from AVS give your truck a sleek look while still protecting from the elements. The low-profile vent visors are made from a durable Triflex ABS thermoplastic to prevent breaking and damage when conditions get rough. They are also UV-tinted, scratch-resistant, and car wash safe. These vent visors install in-channel and provide the same benefits as conventional vent visors. Not only do they look amazing, they provide protection from rain, snow, and wind while allowing you to keep your windows partially open to let fresh air in. They're available in smoke gray or smoke with chrome trim finish. You can also purchase these in 2, 4, or 6-piece sets. As far as the installation goes, we rate this a 1 out of 10 and it'll take you about 30 minutes. Each set of the in-channel low-profile vent visors installs with 3M double-sided tape for maximum holding power. The in-channel low-profile vent visors from AVS have a limited lifetime warranty. To purchase these vent visors or have them installed, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.